as we begin the final quarter. On second down and long, Covington throwing. Oh, it's caught! Reggie Wayne with only Carpenter to beat. Wayne's still on his feet. He's going to score!
Well, Covington doesn't. Charlton has the pick. He thinks he jumps high, can't do it. Wayne is able to come up with the ball and give Miami credit here. First of all, a great run by Wayne.
Games and a good half still ahead of us. They fake Davenport. Kelly going to go long down the middle. Bit of a wobbler here. Santana Moss against Clemens. Santana runs to it and swings free. In a foot race with Berry. Moss. Touchdown. Miami. Holy cow.
.208 to go from the 11-yard line. Middle intercepted by Morgan at the goal line. The defensive player of the year brings it all the way back out to the 26-yard line. And who knows how many AP voters that might have impressed with that interception back at the goal line right now.
So Rutgers has the ball after the turnover. Schwenk going up top, intercepted. And back comes Mike Rump down the right sideline, still on his feet, touchdown! Mike Rump took it all the way back off the interception. Miami 47-0.
Mike Rump, it looked like just playing center field out there at the cornerback position. The ball was going into a crowd. Number 8 taking a look, had his eyes on it the whole way. Gets his first
for St. Pierre. Back slant. Intercepted on a ricochet. Intercepted by Matt Walters on the ricochet. Lateraled it off to Edward Reed. And Reed will dash into the end zone. Oh, what a turn of events as Miami on a ricochet. Folks, you won't believe it. On the interception, Miami is saved. The slant was ricocheted to the defensive line.
King and Moss left. Dorsey back. Has time. Goes into the end zone. Touchdown! Shockey, the backup tight end. Oh, my gracious. And they have, in fact, thumped Miami in those 5. What a pop. Nick Maddox tried to make the catch, and Philip Buchanan delivered the tackle.
Diedrich got some room. Oh, whoa, boy, there's a hit. Vilma, number 51. Run a little reverse action and get something out of it. Oh, the ball comes out. It's Vilma again with another fierce tackle.
Those are 2 of the most incredible tackles you'll see in football.
Down and 10. Give it to Portis. Lost his balance, but keeps on going, and he might tear it open. Touchdown. They thought they had him. They didn't wrap him, and suddenly he was gone.
At the 22-yard line. Dorsey almost made him jump again. Portis on the play fake, and the ball to the end zone. Touchdown. Andre Johnson, perfectly thrown pass. $22 yards and a touchdown.
Dorsey gives it to his running back. McGahee is loose. Got one man to beat in the secondary. 15 at the 10.
to go with the draw play. McGahee gets the first tackler to miss and now reverses it. Has 5, has 10, 15, and 20, and he's off. Knocked out of bounds close to the 20-yard line, and there is a case where blitz coming off the corner, and they call the screen back to this side, and he's loose into the secondary and hang on. Reverses his field. McGahee still going. Is he going to get caught from behind? He gets caught at the 1-yard line. That's what they're going to say down at the 3.
Ricks down the middle, in and out, and then caught, and now it's a loose ball. Fumble. Miami's got it.
They call it incomplete.
Looked like a catch, they say no. PK Sam bobbled it, looked like he caught it, then got whacked.
Oh, a huge hit.
And the Miami coaches are... And it was a tight one over by 1. Oh, what a hit by Vince Wilfork. Oh. Have Fork will travel. Holy mackerel. Leon Washington's going to feel that one until about next Tuesday.
I don't know if this is a fork or a serving spoon.
Oh,
that's not fair.
That isn't fair.
He picks the smallest guy in all the running backs.
And he's the biggest guy on the field.
You marvel at a man who weighs that.
A lot of hang time, but room to return from the 34 for Antrell Roll, who breaks free, and he's going to go. There are no flags, and Miami's on the board twice in the first 5 minutes. Touchdown. Top tackler of the last 2 years, slowed by a right hamstring injury. It's up in the air. Antrell Roll has a punt return for a touchdown, has an interception return for a touchdown on opening night. Mo Sykes the tip, and number 6 has the 6. Injuries, but they've wrestled control back in the 3rd. Start the 4th with a lead. Back throw-ins to Kellen Winslow. Oh, he ran over his man to get to the 36. He knocked Scott Jerko through the Orange Bowl turf.
Football player Kellen Winslow he's gotten so physical this year. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And pick up the first down.
36 regular season wins, 25 in a row in the Big East, 24 in a row in the Orange Bowl. They've got to pick up 4th and 13. Collins throws, caught by the All-American Winslow at the 43. 1 minute left, they're still alive.
For the young kicker, we're about to find out. Gore heading for the first down, and he's got it. It's a touchdown.
Backs up to his own 30. Waits for a block. Here he comes again. This time he danced back into trouble and back out again. Wow! Still on his feet. Are you kidding me?
Top 10 ESPN, top 10. That's one of them. Wow!
Teammates, they are rooting for Frank so hard. 2nd and 1, needs the fake. One more time. Tight end, Greg Olsen. Miami touchdown. Final minute, 3rd quarter. With 2 backup linemen. Time for Berlin. Greg Olsen, the tight end. Held on to the ball as he got it down to the 30-yard line. 51 yards.
First start, just on the Kane side of the 50, a dive. Whoa! Hello, John Beeson. That's more like what you normally see out of Miami linebackers. A guy that signed here as a safety and got bigger, even played some fullback.
Yep. He was one of those guys in high school that was so good he played both ways. And when he came to the University of Miami, he was first a fullback because they needed help over there.
This is a form tackle coming up here. Boom.
Should be a distance that BC should be comfortable in on 3rd down. It's Brandon Robinson in motion. Ryan feels the pressure. A flag is down as he's sacked. Calais Campbell, the big 6'8" sophomore out of Denver, the leading sacker on this team, comes up with his 10th on the season.